Everyone wants to breathe clean air, but in today's world that isn't always left up to us. Even in rural environments, the air we breathe contains countless contaminants that can increase our discomfort, trigger allergies, and compromise our health. Man-made pollution is a big part of the problem. Industrial pollution, motor vehicle exhausts, chemicals, pesticides, solvents, tobacco smoke, the list is virtually endless. Then consider naturally occurring materials like dust, dirt, pollen, and mold. All can become airborne and make their way into your respiratory system. Around the world, this is a big problem. A recent study cited by the World Health Organization estimates that air pollution can cost us up to 20 months of our life expectancies. To make the bad news even worse, indoor air can be even more dangerous. The Environmental Protection Agency estimates that indoor air can regularly be between 2 and 5 times more polluted than outdoors, and sometimes even 100 times higher than outdoor levels. Pollution that enters your home through doors and windows becomes trapped there, mixing with indoor pollutants such as pet dander, fabric fibers, household dust, and other materials that could harm your health. That's where the Rainbow SRX's impressive air cleaning capabilities really count. The Rainbow's powerful hurricane motor and unique filtration system work together to effectively remove indoor air contaminants. Moving air lifts dust, dirt, and debris out of your home environment and into the Rainbow's water basin, where it becomes trapped in a whirling water bath. The fresh, water-washed air is then returned back into your home. Consider that water is nature's cleaning solution. Think about how much dust you see in the air after a car drives down a dirt road on a dry day. Compare that to what you'd see on the same dirt road during a fresh spring rain. Mother Nature knows that wet dust can't fly. And that's the same principle that makes the Rainbow SRX work so well. The Rainbow SRX is so effective at removing airborne pollutants that it is the only product of its type that has earned the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers certification seal as a proven air cleaner that reduces the air pollutants that contribute to poor indoor air quality. That means that when it comes to breathing clean indoor air, you and your family can breathe easy.